Oshan Yugu Storage Equipment Company Limited specializes in designing and manufacturing a holistic range of fabricated warehousing and logistics equipment. We take great pride in manufacturing all manner of storage containers, cages, pallets, trolleys, and racking. We support your project with our in-house engineers who expertly design custom builds, making us your comprehensive storage and logistics fabrication partner. Our workshop is over 5,000 square meters with a multitude of machinery, allowing us to manufacture the majority of our componentry in-house. We are staff-centric and invest in our staff of 70 professional fabricators, quality control officers, engineers, and admin staff providing task-specific training and ongoing professional development. Providing factory direct pricing and manufacturing high-quality products for our supply partners is our passion, but creating long-term ongoing value for our partners is our goal. Why chose us? Factory direct pricing with the support of a local business. Over 12 years experience, our engineers and fabrication professionals are here to support you. We manufacture the majority of our components in-house, saving you cost and ensuring the best QC possible to further increase our service delivery. Our engineer team will happily help you to customize and finalize your custom builds. A strict and robust quality control management system is in place, ensuring every product meets the customer's design or prescribed regulation. Lastly, we understand the myriad differences of expectations and product requirements throughout the fields of international trade. We will work with you every step of the way to ensure your product arrives to specification, on time, and on budget.